In this video, I am going to solve the same system of equations that we did by hand, but we're going to use our calculator to do this. So what we do, before I get to the calculator side, I am going to create what is called matrix A and matrix B. I am going to use the coefficients, the number parts of what's on the left side of the equals to make rows in matrix A. So my first row in matrix A is going to be 3, 9, 6. My second row will be 2. The coefficient of that y is a 1, and in the front of that z is a -1. Make sure you get your signs right. And the last row's coefficients are all 1, 1, and 1. Then matrix B is going to come from the constant, the equals side of the equations. So it's going to be 3, 2, and 2. Now, you'll notice before I go to the calculator, I'm going to have to know what's called the order of each of these matrices. So the order of the matrix is going to be the number of rows by the number of columns. So in matrix A, I've got 3 rows and 3 columns. In matrix B, I've got 3 rows, but only 1 column. So now over to the calculator. And at the bottom of the screen on the calculator, you'll see my key press history. So if you do need to just go back and see what keys I pushed, it'll show down in the key press history. So we're going to use what's called the matrix function of this calculator. The first thing I want to do is store matrix A into my calculator. So I'm going to hit the second key, and then you'll see the x to the -1 key has a blue word matrix on top of it. So that's what you're going to want. So now that brings up these matrix function. So I want to create matrix A. So if you're creating or making a new matrix, now you want to go over to edit. So edit matrix A, enter. So here's why you had to know what the order was, because I need to tell my calculator how many rows and how many columns I want this matrix to be. And I need matrix A to be 3 by 3. So 3, enter, 3, enter. So now you'll notice that you have the right number of rows and right number of columns to match your matrix A. So I'm just going to go across the first row, which is 3, 9, 6. Second row is 2, 1, -1. And my third row is all ones. So 1, 1, 1. So now I'm done with matrix A. So now I want to create or make matrix B. So go back to second matrix. So you'll notice that now it has that 3 by 3 matrix stored in my calculator under matrix A. So now I want to go back over to edit and down to matrix B. Enter. So now I need to tell my calculator the rows and columns. So I have 3 rows, so 3 rows enter, and one column, enter. So again, you'll notice that the matrix in your calculator matches this matrix B, so I can enter that column. So 3, enter, 2, enter, 2, enter. So now that I have these matrices stored in my calculator, what I want to do is go to just my plain home screen. So to get back to just your plain calculator home screen, hit second and then quit, which is the button right next to second. So what I want to do is tell my calculator matrix A to the -1 matrix B using the matrices that I have stored in there. So second matrix. Now you'll notice, look, you have A and B stored in there. So I want to actually hit enter right now. I don't want to go over to edit because I'm not creating a new matrix. I want to use the matrices that I have stored in there now. So I want A, so it's on A, so I'll just hit enter. Now, you'll notice right below actually it's the matrix key, we just don't hit second in front of it because we want that -1 exponent for this right here. So I'm just going to hit that X to the -1 button, and then I need matrix B. So second matrix down to B, hit enter. So now this is what you should see on your calculator. Matrix A to the -1, matrix B, hit enter. Remember what we got. We got an ordered triple as our solution with the X, Y, and Z. Those are what you're seeing as your solution here. 2, -1, +1. All right, one more example for solving a systems of equation using your matrix function. So again, I'm going to create matrix A and matrix B. By using the coefficient parts of these equations. So my top row in matrix A is going to be 6, -1, +1. My second row is going to be 4, 2, -3, and my last row is going to be 1, -3, 2. And then matrix B will be this right side of your equals. So 2, 11, and -12. So remember what I'm going to do. I'm going to come to my calculator and create these two matrices in the matrix function. So again, second matrix. So you'll notice that it still has the A and B matrices that I created for the last problem. So you're just going to go over to edit, because remember, you're making new matrix right now. So edit matrix A. So it is still a 3 by 3. So 3, enter, 3, enter. So I'm just going to put these new numbers over the old numbers. It'll just replace them. So across the top row, I need 6, -1, +1, 4, 2, -3, and 1, -3, 2. So the biggest mistake when you're using your calculator is usually just entering, when you're editing, typing in a wrong number. So before you get out of this, just make sure all those numbers are right. 6, -1, 1, 4, 2, -3, and 1, -3, 2. Okay, so I've made matrix A. So now I need to make matrix B. So second matrix. I'm still editing, right? I need to create, so I'm going to go over to edit and down to B to make this new matrices. Hold on, the sirens are going to go off. Creating the matrix B. So you'll notice it's still 3 by 1. So 3, enter, 1, enter. And then enter your new numbers for your matrix B. So 2, enter, 11, enter, and -12, enter. So again, double check your numbers. All right, sorry about that. So double check your numbers, and then what you want to see in your calculator now is matrix A to the -1 matrix B. So I want to go to just my plain home screen. So second, quit. I want to use matrix A, the new one that I have stored. So I'm going to hit second matrix. It's stored my new one under matrix A. So hit enter. And then your X to the -1 key. And then second matrix. Now you want your B matrix. So you should have matrix A to the -1, matrix B. Hit enter, and there is your solution. So again, it's an ordered triple. We just have different variables this time, R, S, and T, that will give me 1, 5, 1.